Here, I thought I'd give a couple tips on your comparative studies wiki. I'm going to go open up the demo. Hopefully you've been able to go take a look at that. And I'm going to do some editing and show you how to do some things in your wiki. Let me be perfectly clear. All I'm expecting this week for you to do is to enter the information that I have given you from the Judaism religion. You can just take the information like I've done here and bring it over and put it into topics, like topic 1, the transcendental realm. What is the perception of God in this religion? And I've given the 2 examples. I have hyperlinks to where I can get information about it that was provided in the chart that I gave you, and I put in some pictures. Now, there's a couple ways that you can put in pictures. I want you to understand, copying and pasting from Word is acceptable for text only. Text only. You're going to have to come in and actually go in and edit your page. Let me scroll over this way so I can edit it, and it'll bring it up so that it opens into a text editor, much like Microsoft Word or any of the other types of software that you work with, as you can see here. Now, the way I put my pictures in, I put them in tables. So then I can set that table wherever I'd like to, and I can have text on the side of it. But let me just show you a couple simple ways for you to get your pictures into your document. You click where you would like to set your picture and click on the little picture icon. It looks like a tree. And then when that opens up, it'll ask you where your picture is, and then you're going to have to let it know how to get to that picture. And of course, the easiest way, it's over here. Let me drag this over so that you can see it. Is simply just to upload it. Okay, so you're going to scroll to wherever your picture is. Okay, another little dialog box will pop up here, and you browse to it, and you choose the picture that you would like to put in there, and wait for a few seconds for that to come up. And here comes a big gigantic menu. I'm going to go over here to my pictures and just pick anything that I can slip in there so that you can see what I'm talking about. And we'll just put in, let's just put in this little banner here so that you can see. You'll upload, and it'll take a few seconds to upload. Once it's uploading, it's attaching it to your wiki, and it's uploading, and okay. And then at that point in time, you can put a description in, title bar, whatever you're wanting to put in as your description, and then hit insert, and it puts it in there. Okay. Now, of course, your text will have to go wrap around that. Okay. Now that's one way to clearly the easiest way to do it, and that's the way that I'm going to suggest. But if you are familiar with working with tables, it's relatively easy to insert a table. Okay, just click on that little table dialog box and it'll pop up, and you can say how many columns you want, how many rows. You can set the alignment so that it's center, to the left, or however you'd like it. You can actually predetermine a size. Let's say I'm going to do 600 pixels or PCX. I'm going to insert that, and there's my table. And the same thing, once again, inside that table you can insert a picture by just simply doing the same thing that I did before, clicking onto that box, browsing to where you're going to find your picture. Okay, let me bring that over, browse, and go in and find where you've got a picture. I'm going to go ahead and put another picture in there just so that you can see what I'm talking about. We'll put that in, upload, and just takes a few seconds. That's the easiest way to get pictures into your wiki, guys. Just use that little button that's on the text editor. Fact is, that's the only way you can get pictures into your website. Thank you very much.